First of all, on behalf of the entire batch of 2013, I would like to welcome you on this Recognition Day, Pilarto Central School. Gusto po namin pasalamatan, unang-una, ang guest speaker, Miss Gima M. Clarita, School District Supervisor, Mr. Rodolfo C. Lorito, ang ating principal, Mr. Abelardo B. Anonuevo, mga barangay officials, ang ating mga guro, mga magulang, at lalong-lalo na sa mga mag-aaral, for joining us on this one-of-a-kind celebration kung saan magbubunga na ang lahat ng ating mga paghihirap at pagsisikap. As I stand here, sure and assured in equal measure, one image that seems constantly flash in front of my eyes is the first day of school, noong naghahanda at excited tayong magsimula ang klase. Bilang mga magulang ay inihahanda ang ating mga anak para mas mapabuti ang kanilang inaharap. After all that we've been through, the back-breaking packing of snacks for the children to heaven school. For those early mornings, we need to wake up early just to fix things needed for their school. Co-parents, let this day be also our day to celebrate. For we surpasses our limits to keep our children in their very best. Teachers, we all owe this celebration to you. Kung wala po kayo, wala po sila dito. Utang na loob po namin sa inyo ang inyong pagiging pangalawang magulang sa mga bata. Maraming salamat po sa masusing paghubog sa talino at galing ng bawat mag-aaral. Let me also grab this opportunity to say thanks for the kids. Mga bata, kayo ang pag-asa ng ating bayan. Kayo ang susunod na piloto, marino, pulis, manager, politiko, at malay nyo, maging pangulo. Huwag niyong sayangin ang isang araw na pwede kayong matuto. Dahil iilan lamang kayo na may kakayang makapasok sa paaralan. Thank you, parents, your teachers, your family members, the people that was a part of your stay here in school before this day ended. But don't ever forget to thank Guru, our God, for He is the reason of our existence. Again, before I end this, it is my greatest pleasure to welcome you to this ceremony today. Let this event mark a beginning for the rest of our lives and helps us reflect on what we had learned and achieved. Thank you and good morning. Maraming salamat, Mrs. Lorilia. At ngayon, tungayan po natin ang bibo at cute na mga kinder pupils sa kanilang sayaw na cha-cha-cha.